What's up, y'all? So I want to do a video on how you can use your Apple Watch as a monitor for the rear camera on your phone. Because a lot of times you want to use the rear camera on our iPhones because the camera is way better than the front-facing camera. But you can't see what it's recording. You got a mirror in front of it. A lot of times you're trying to figure out some way. Maybe if it's two people, you might have the other person let you know. It's hard. So I want to share this with people that don't know that you can use your watch, your Apple Watch, as a monitor for your rear camera on your phone. Okay, so first you want to go in your watch. Now this feature is dope, but it acts real janky sometimes. So I'm hoping it works right here. So first you want to open up the camera app on your watch. A lot of times when I open it up on my phone, I can't get it to work. So you want to open up the camera app on your watch. It takes a little bit. Hopefully it works on the first try. Oh, it's working on the first try. Nice. It doesn't always go this smooth, y'all. It doesn't always work this smooth, but it is right now. But this is how you get the camera. You can use it on your watch. So what I like to do is I'll place my watch onto my phone, and I'll show you guys how I do that in B-roll. Basically have like a little iPhone studio setup, but I just wanted to give you a quick to the point video on how to do that. Most people know that you can do that, but it's very useful for anybody that don't know, because when I found this out, I was like, wow, I wish I knew this. But that's all I got for y'all, man. I'm out. Peace.